Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to start with another interesting topic from the chapter Force and Pressure. And the topic for today's discussion is classification of forces. But first of all, we are going to revise what we did in our previous lectures. So, what is a force? I hope you learn all the definitions which we discussed. So, tell me, what is a force? It is a push or a pull upon an object when the two objects are going to interact with each other. So whenever the two bodies are interacting, there is a push or a pull, and that is known as force. I hope up to here all the things are clear to you. So what we are going to discuss today? We are having the topic classification of forces. So what is inside that topic? Whenever the two bodies are interacting, there is a force, but at the time of interaction, these two bodies can be in contact with each other, or these two bodies cannot be in contact with each other. I hope it is clear what I am going to tell you, that whenever the two bodies are interacting, the bodies are in contact with each other, or the bodies cannot be in contact with each other. So when the bodies are having in contact, then that type of forces, at that time the forces are known as contact forces. But when the bodies are not in contact with each other, that type of forces are called non-contact forces. So here our classification started. That is, firstly we are only having the force, but after that, on the basis of the contact, there are two type of forces. First is contact forces and other one is non-contact forces. Okay, and contact forces are further divided into two subparts. First one is muscular force and second one is frictional force. Contact forces are divided into two parts. First is muscular and second one is frictional force. And in the case of non-contact forces, there is a magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. Why I have divided the force into two parts? Further, on the basis of their interaction, the bodies are in contact or in not in contact. And I am further dividing the contact forces into two types. One is muscular force and other one is frictional force. And in the case of non-contact, magnetic, electrostatic and gravitational. Only today we are going to have the definition of these forces, and in the another video we are going to have the examples of these different type of forces. So what is muscular force? This force is exerted by the muscles of any human being or any animal whenever they are going to exert the force by the usage of their muscles. Such type of force is known as muscular force. When we are going to lift a glass of water from one place to another, we are using our muscular force. Frictional force, this is a type of force which arises when the two bodies are going to slide over each other. Like अगर whenever a ball is rolling on one surface, आपने कई बार देखा होगा कि ये जो बॉल है after rolling some time it is going to stop. But why this ball stops after some time? Why it is not going to be moving forever? Because the force which opposes the motion, बॉल मूव कर रही थी सरफेस पे, उसकी मोशन को किसने अपोज किया? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फोर्स एक्सर्टेड एट दैट टाइम? दैट फोर्स इज कॉल्ड फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. ये कब अराइज होता है? व्हेन वन बॉडी इज गोइंग टू स्लाइड ओवर अनदर बॉडी. एंड वी विल discuss many more example from these type of forces, okay, in the another videos. Now coming to the non-contact forces. First is magnetic forces. This force is exerted by the magnet on magnetic materials. That is, like आपने देखा होगा कि there are like poles which repel each other, there are unlike pole which attract each other. होता है ना मैग्नेट के अंदर. तो दैट फोर्सेस, जब भी कोई मैग्नेट है हमारे पास, मैग्नेट क्या करते हैं? आयरन के पीसेस को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है ना. तो दैट इज द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. दैट इज फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय द मैग्नेट. मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल क्या है हमारे पास? आयरन. आप मैग्नेट को आयरन के पास, आयरन नेल्स के पास लेके जाइए, इट विल गोइंग टू बी अट्रैक्ट. तो दैट इज द मैग्नेटिक फोर्स. Now next is electrostatic force. This force is exerted by the charged body over body can be, another body can be charged or that can be uncharged also. Okay. And the last one is gravitational force. Gravitational force, it is the earth's pull. earth क्या करती है, आप जब भी कोई भी बॉल है आप अपवर्ड आप उसको थ्रो करते हो, अपने आप वो क्या होती है, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी फॉल डाउन. तो दैट इज़ द अर्थ्स पुल टू अट्रैक्ट द एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट टूवर्ड्स इट. अर्थ क्या करती है, जब भी हम कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन थ्रो करते हैं, लेकिन वो क्या करते हैं अपने आप ही, वो अर्थ, बिकॉज ऑफ द अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल पुल, दैट अर्थ क्या करती है, एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट to pull towards it at that time, which forces are going to act, that is called gravitational forces. So that is your today's lecture, classification of forces. Forces of, on the basis of their interaction, whether the bodies are in contact or not in contact, that is, and contact forces are muscular, frictional, and non-contact forces are magnetic, electrostatic, and gravitational force. And in the next lecture we will discuss many examples related to these forces, and you should also try to find more and more examples for the better understanding of the topics. So stay tuned and revise all the topics. Thank you and have a nice day.